Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust Roland Electric Drum Pads. These will be step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, how to adjust Roland Electric Drum Pads, and these will be step-by-step instructions, so let's get into this. As you can see right here, I have my Roland Electric Drum Kit, and this is the Roland TD11, and I believe it's the TD11K, if I remember correctly, because this is like a mesh pad instead of these like rubberized ones. If I remember correctly, I got this probably almost 10 years ago, maybe like 8 or 9, yeah, probably close to 10 years ago now. So yeah, I mean, like I said, maybe it's been longer than 10 years, but around 10 years ago. So if I don't get the model number correct, I'm sorry, but I think I'm close enough. Anyways, there are essentially 3 adjustments that you can make for each drum pad to adjust the angle of it. Now, obviously, you can make different adjustments for the sound on the module itself, but yeah, like the head unit, the module over here, because this is the drum sound module called the TD11. So yeah, it's called the module. I just wanted to make sure you can make the sound adjustments on the drum sound module, specifically this TD11, but any drum sound module that you have. But if you want to adjust the angle of the pads, this is the video for you. So there are 3 adjustments that you can make, like I said. Here's one of them. Here's the second one over here, and here's the third one. And each of the drum pads will have the same thing. So you can see here, here's 1, there's 2, there's 3. They're all going to be the same thing. So check this out. The first adjustment that you can make is right here. If you loosen this, okay, you can actually do 2 things. You can move this further and back on the pole. So I can move this further forward and back on the pole, as you can see, and I can adjust the angle in this way, okay? So I'm going to put it basically the way that it was, and I'm going to tighten it back up, okay? Nice and tightly, or else it has a tendency to move if you don't do it nice and tightly. And just something I've learned over the years, essentially. This one over here, if I loosen this one over here, okay, I can adjust, see how tightly that was done up? I can adjust the angle like this, okay, back and forth, okay, just like that. I'll straighten it out after, I'll fine tune it after, but I can adjust it in the sense of that angle if I loosen that one right there. And also that will, that won't allow it to go out and in, sorry. It just adjusts for that angle, like I said, sorry about that. No, it does allow it to go out and in, I apologize. It can move out and in with this over here, so you can see I can go out and in. I knew I could have done it. So yeah, it adjusts in 2 ways. So far, both of these make the adjustment in 2 ways. This one allows it to go forward and back, and then we'll adjust it in this sense, swiveling like that. This one allows it to go forward and back in this way, and we'll adjust it on the angle in that sense. Okay, let's tighten that up nice and tightly. And then this one over here, if you loosen it, I'm not going to loosen it too much. It will allow it to, number 1, rotate this way. Another 2 adjustments that'll allow you to spin it and rotate it this way, and it'll allow it to go up and down. But I'm not going to do that because it's probably just going to drop down if I loosen it too much. Okay, so each of those, there are 3 adjustment knobs, and each of the adjustment knobs allow you to make 2 movemental adjustments. I don't even know if that's a word. I probably just made it up. But essentially, you can move this each drum pad in 6 ways by using those 3 knobs to adjust it. Yeah, and that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.